Sa mga kamay ng Ateneo Lady Eagles. Na siyang ginamit ng Ateneo na isa sa dalawang panalo para kung maka-playoff. Papasok sa quarterfinals.
The dive by Giselle Tan. Samonte was stopped by Risa Sato.
The middle hitters ng Ateneo in Game 1. Ginatasan yung 5 unforced errors ng NU.
You saw earlier on your screens, of course, Coach Roger
The legendary Coach Roger Corral.
Or does it herself. We mentioned she's a converted setter. Naging a spiker, but Bea de Leon, confidence sky high na bagit natin. There she is. Sing, free ball for NU. Samonte is there, good stop. Copico. Gusto pakiin.
Ng Eagles si Ana Lubico. 4 unforced errors para dito sa Ateneo. NU.
Kabilang side to Sing. Good stop by Bea de Leon. And Gia Morado. And there's Bea de Leon. Good timing for Bea de Leon.
Bea de Leon holding her own against Judge.
Point. Set number 1 in game 2. Sing. And check ball. Oh!
Tumama sa net.
Ronnie Lauret Sanok at courtside. Game 2 of the finals where NU leads the series 1 game. The 3-set victory as Lady Eagles. Morente. Sato is there.
Morente denied.
NU's net defense has to be sustained.
Pico, that this time hindi ba yung angulo? Sing is there. Nabor. And again, we keep on saying before she was converted to a center, Jasmine Nabor was an open spiker.
At yung thumbprint ni Jaja Santos.
Fracture that left shin.
The play by Gia Morado. Jaja Santiago was there. Pero yung miss hit dun sa quick play na yon.
13 excellent sets already here. Oh, but what a there from Risa Sato.
Yan yung hinahanap niya na pasa ng paulit-ulit.
Sing, good stop by Bea de Leon. Nabor to Jaja Santiago and ika nga, istabo na.
Once again, Jasmine Nabor doing the right thing. Bakit hindi?
Sing.
Good dive save there by
Nalihis yung focus ko.
Lady Boca saves it.
At ang NU, sinukit na yung set. Andre, ganun kami.
66 Sky Cable live stream sports.pbs-cbn.com/livestream/Vili.
Game 2 of the finals for the gold.
Nabuhay pa ni Samonte. Nabor to Jaja. Pinakay na sa ating MVP. 6'5", Jaja Santiago playing. Gia will go to Hekeliana.
Finally.
That will hopefully keep Hekeliana going. Salzobel, Jules Samonte. Nabor to Sing. Ado will go to De Leon. Nabor will go to Jarrell Sing.
Wow.
Strong cross-court kill.
Sa tunog pa lang, alam mo, solid na eh.
Pinea trying to stay alive.
Lady Boca.
That's first po ng ating collegiate conference. Tayo muling magbabalik para sa Reinforced Conference sa October 1. Ang third at muling conference ng 13th.
Ogdas and then the dump by Nabor. Buhay pa.
Naku po.
Santiago for the kill. Dapat nakupo ka na.
Oo.
Yun na nga yun. Patay kung patay.
Ana Lubico had 18 points for Ateneo to lead the way for...
Sato. Morado to Maraginot. And again, the veteran scores second game back for Ateneo after that injury. Nabor sets Jaja up, but there's Bea de Leon. Good stop.
Kaya sinasabi natin, tanging si Bea de Leon lamang sa serya nagpapamalas ng kakaya.
Here at the Phil Sports Arena. And you will go to Jaja that time. Nabor and Jaja make sure it was a kill.
It was a quicker set by Nabor for series.
Nabor, pupunta kay Ordaz. Finally, kanina pinag-usapan natin, Coach Ronnie, that we haven't heard much from Aiko Ordaz.
Kailangan nila si Aiko. Tandaan natin.
Para may extend. Di lamang ang set na to, ang match na to, pati din ang serye.
Nako.
O De Leon, pinatay. Kill block again for Bea de Leon, sparking the Lady Eagles. Now set point.
3 set points for the Eagles.
And
that will do
again,
it.
who is... What better way? Fatigue coming into play. Sabi na nga,
Could be a factor.
that's right. But of
Sino
course,
kaya ang
when the
magwawalis?
championship is on the line, Everybody. Stone with the serve. Tabor to Jaja. All else fails.
Go
they
for the quick
to-
play.
That's right.
And at 6'6", si Bea De Leon lamang yung may magkakanon.
Yes. Ako pa sinisinerasyon ba't nagtanong, Jaja Santiago for a kill block.
Ito, walang sisihan ko, pero right now,
Yes.
Enyo looking good. Halfway, here in the 5th set, up by 5. Ateneo.
Ateneo will go to Maraginot. Check ball. Bola, they go to Bea De Leon. Ateneo does, and the ball! Championship point now para sa Enyo. Gopico to sing. Nabol! At dyan ang magtatapos ang ating Shakey's D-League Season 13 Collegiate Conference back-to-back champions, the National University Lady Bulldogs.
Enyo Bulldogs, Angta. They lost set 1. They won sets 2 and 3. Dropped the 4th set in the 5th set. They had a mighty start. Managed to hold on, sustain, and impose their will and dominance against the very game and hard-fighting Ateneo Blue Eagles.
A converted setter.
Right. And ang kanyang natural position ay isang spiker talaga. And again, we started last July 30th at ngayon sa